Hello my friends, let's cook something really simple again. How about some fried pork chops for dinner tonight? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and ready in like 30 minutes. Sounds good? Let's do it! This recipe requires just 4 main ingredients: boneless pork chops, eggs, flour, and breadcrumbs, plus some basic spices. Start by seasoning the pork chops with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once seasoned from one side, flip them and season the other side too. The pork chops should be about half an inch thick at least. Now grab a meat mallet and tenderize the pork chops from both sides. Do not use full force, just a few gentle hits from each side is all we need. And using a plastic bag will help you keep your working desk clean. Break 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, season them with salt, black pepper and a bit of Italian herbs, and beat them properly with a fork or whisk. And now it's time to bread the pork chops. I start by coating each piece in all-purpose flour first. This way the procedure is less messy and takes less time. The rest is simple. Dip each piece in the beaten eggs and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. I love to use a pretty large baking dish, as you can see on the screen. It makes the final step so much easier. Just shake the dish a bit and the breadcrumbs will cover the top on their own. Flip each piece twice and use a bit of hand pressure to make sure the breading is solid and each part is fully covered. When frying pork chops, using proper pork lard is always the best, but you can use oil too, of course. Heat the lard up to medium-high heat in a pan and let's start frying. It will take between 3 to 5 minutes per side, but always watch the color. Once the bottom side turns golden brown, it's time to flip. Shake the pan from time to time to make sure the pork chops don't stick to the bottom and the hot lard or oil can get everywhere. The pork chops are starting to look really good. It's about time to take them off the pan. Place the finished fried pork chops on a paper towel so it absorbs any excess fat. And we are done. These fried pork chops can be served with rice or mashed potatoes, and I like to put some pickles and vegetables on the side too. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. See you next week.